The state bar trial against fired prosecutor April Sponsel is over. Now, the disciplinary judge will have to make a decision. Should Sponsel lose her law license after being accused of working with police to invent a gang and falsely charge protesters as members?
ABC15 was the only news outlet to attend that trial, and throughout it, one of Sponsel's biggest arguments was she didn't act alone, arguing a lot of top officials signed off on that plan. Here's ABC15 Chief Investigator Dave Biscobee.
Before April Sponsel went before a grand jury to try to charge this group of police protesters of being in a gang, she met with her bosses about the plan.
As you started evaluating the case, did you discuss it with your supervisors?
I did.
So you spoke to your bureau chief about it and her boss, correct?
That is correct, Mr. Goddard.
And based on what they said, what was your impression of how you were proceeding?
They were both fine with it. They were like, it sounds like you got the evidence.
As we showed you earlier in the trial, Goddard himself testified that was true and even got approval from then County Attorney Alistair Riddell.
And you concurred, correct?
Yes.
Did you run it up the chain of command?
Yes.
Who did you run it to?
Alistair Riddell.
The county attorney?
Yes.
Sherry LeCrone, Sponsel's direct supervisor, also testified that she approved of how the gang case was handled. Now, before we go further, here's our report that exposed why Sponsel and police believed the group was a gang, one they named ACAB, or All Cops Are Bastards.
But we confirmed the secret testimony they told jurors, and it is truly unbelievable. To charge as a street gang in Arizona, the law is broad. You just need two of the following criteria. And here are the ones that officials say fit this group. They carry umbrellas. They wear mostly black, and they chanted, "All cops are bastards." And for that, officials labeled them the ACAB gang. But here's maybe the most unbelievable part. Court records show the state called a police witness to testify that ACAB was just as dangerous, and in many ways more dangerous, than notorious gangs like the Crips and the Bloods.
Now back to the state bar trial. Sponsel testified about another meeting. It was a big one, a few days before she went before the grand jury to get the gang charges.
There was an October 23rd, 2020 meeting to discuss the case, correct?
That is the FBI task force meeting with Homeland Security, yes.
So we're talking now Gilbert Police Department, Phoenix Police Department, Maricopa County Attorney's Office, your superiors. We're talking the FBI and Department of Homeland Security as sources of information that you had to consider.
Correct.
Did the group reach a consensus?
Yes.
What was that consensus?
Everybody was on board. We didn't get into like a lot of the facts, delve into a lot of the facts of October 17th because a majority of the individuals knew exactly what happened.
The true facts would end up showing the case was built on lies and exaggerations, all confirmed by two outside investigations ordered by Phoenix and MCAO. But that doesn't mean Sponsel is wrong about getting the green light to bring the gang charges. That's something the hearing panel asked about.
Do you remember a meeting on September 28th where Vince Goddard asked you to come in and talk about a priority project?
Yes.
In our reporting, we discovered multiple supervisors instructed Sponsel and MCAO investigator Carl Martin to explore building a gang case against protesters, and that was weeks before the October 17th protest ever occurred. I'm investigator Dave Biscobee, ABC 15, Arizona.